Alright guys, welcome back to another nifty network video. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove your axles. Yeah, let's get to it. So first thing first, I'm going to take this tire off right here so that I can access the axle nut on the outside. So I'm going to get the cotter pin out of the axle nut. So I'll just work that straight, basically. Give it a little pinch up top. Slide that out. And the axle nut size is a 32 millimeter. I like to leave these. Oh, this one's actually going to slide nicely. So sometimes the axle stub will actually get stuck in the hub. But on this one, you can see that it'll slide out. So on this one, we can undo this all the way. And we'll go to the other side. No, we'll do this side first. So you're gonna want to get a flathead screwdriver. And the one that I use my broken flathead for this one. So you're gonna want to put the flathead inside the rotor, like this. And what that's going to do is it's going to cause the rotor to not spin. So you can go to the inside of where the axle touches the diff, because if I didn't have that on there, the axle isn't going to give me any resistance to loosen the bolt off here. So I use this as like a pin basically, and then you can loosen everything. So I'll go through these. So yeah, we'll just make our rounds on these, get all these taken off. So we're gonna have 6 axle bolts to take off. And this part will go pretty quick. So once you have this out like this, and your nuts out on this side, you literally just pull, and just like that, your axle's out. All right, so now I'm gonna do the other side. It's the same as the other side that I just showed you, but the other side. Oh, there we go. Cool.
What's that trick, just in case it's hard?
The trick is, so you keep this on here. Say that was all the way down, not all the way down, but majority. I'll get a 1/2 inch extension and I'll set it inside here, because that allows you to hit the front of the axle shaft without like knurling the edges of it, so that when you undo this, you know that you didn't hit the edge of the thread, so you know that the bolt or the nut will still thread onto that. Because if you hit the edge of this thread, like with a hammer, it'll bend that thread over and you won't be able to get this nut on, basically. So that's just a little trick that I do to keep the punch or the extension or whatever you're using to beat the shaft out of there. It just keeps it straight, basically, and allows it to not get messed up. Look at my sweat just running down my arm. All right, so same thing. Get the axle up and then just slide it out. And that was very, very, very easy compared to how it normally is. I don't want you to watch that video and be like, wow, what am I doing right? Or what am I doing wrong? I would say 1 out of 50 cars I work on come out that easy. So if you have to tap the edge of the shaft, just do that little trick I told you, break that loose. But yeah, there you go. That is how you remove your axle on a G37 or G35 sedan.